How to use MINSEO Jet Flex. Step 1.
Start by choosing the design you want to transfer. With MINSEO Jet Flex, you can simply print it using the inkjet printer on your home desk.
Step 2. Trim the design to shape using scissors or a craft knife. Now, your creativity is ready to come to life. Step 3. Gently peel off the printed vinyl from the backing sheet. From this moment on, your creativity begins to take shape. Place the design on your chosen garment. Step 4. Cover it with parchment paper and press with an iron at 155 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds. Simple, yet stunning. A one-of-a-kind piece, made effortlessly by you.
Jet Flex by MINSEO Coating Flex. Infuse your daily life with creativity that lasts. Start your own wearable art today.